Okay, everybody, I don't know if you can hear this, it's kind of loud, but I am cutting the inlay. I guess I would call this the male kind of mold part for the inlay of that bathtub carrier or bathtub tray thing that I'm building for my buddy here. And seems to be doing all right. So you can see it kind of coming out there a little bit. Let me see if I can get that. Oh. Looking pretty good. So that inlay portion is going to go into the female portion that we milled here the other day or yesterday night, and I'll glue it in and then I'll saw it off and sand it down, and it should be good to go. So exciting. Getting my cuts. This is my first project on this router, and my buddy and I are going to both build some Valentine's Day presents for our wives, and so we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching.